Does buying an umbrella insurance policy make sense for you? Hi, I'm Tom Friedman. I'm a lawyer in Nevada, and I know what you're already saying. Hey, I've already got auto insurance. I've already got homeowners insurance. Why the heck would I spend more money on an umbrella policy? Fair question. Hypothetically, you've got an auto policy. Maybe your limits are $50,000. That's great. What if there's a really bad accident, somebody has severe injuries, they can't work, and there's a claim against you for $500,000? Well, what happens? Your insurance company will pay that $50,000 you bought, and then the other $450,000 remainder turns into a judgment against you. Well, if you live in a cardboard box, you have no assets, no big deal, they're never going to be able to collect on it. But what if you do have a home? What if you do make a lot of money? It would be something to be concerned about. So what an umbrella policy is you've already got your auto policy, you've already got your homeowner's policy, maybe a renter's policy instead, and you've already got policy limits for those. So you're pretty much okay. What an umbrella policy does is it sits on top of those two and provides an extra layer of insurance. It's generally pretty cheap for the amount it is, and it's usually sold in $1 million increments. So going back to our hypothetical example before, if you had a $50,000 policy, your auto insurance carrier would probably say, no, you can't have a $50,000 policy with an umbrella. You've got to buy maybe a $300,000 policy, and then we'll give you the umbrella. So it's going to cost for the umbrella, and it's going to cost a bit to boost your auto policy. However, that big judgment against you, it all gets paid under the umbrella policy. Likewise, if you had a claim at your house, somebody was shot, slipped and fell, dog ate them, I don't know, and it's a big number, that umbrella policy would cover the claim at your house as well. So what you really look at is, what is your net worth look like? If you have nothing and you're not collectible and you're just going to file bankruptcy, well, maybe you don't want to spend the extra amount of money on an umbrella policy. But if you've got some equity in your house, you're making pretty good money, you're going to make good money in the future, you might think about the umbrella policy because it's fairly cheap for the amount of coverage it provides. If you've got any questions, please feel free to give me a call, drop me an email. Thanks very much for watching.